Introducing Learn Crafts and DIY Arts, the AI-powered app revolutionizing the world of crafting. Our app caters to hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, eco-conscious consumers, parents, educators, young adults, and professional crafters alike. With our visual craft search, powered by Google's Gemini, finding inspiration is as easy as snapping a photo. We assess your skill level and recommend projects tailored just for you. Get personalized craft suggestions based on your interests, preferences, and previous projects. Follow detailed, step-by-step instructions with interactive video tutorials for a seamless crafting experience. We suggest necessary materials and tools, with options to fit any budget. Learn Crafts promotes sustainability by offering eco-friendly material suggestions and upcycling ideas. Improve your skills with our crafting challenges and exercises. Access our comprehensive craft glossary, continuously updated by Gemini. Learn Crafts was showcased in a recent Google case study for our exceptional utilization of the Gemini AI assistant. Within just 1/4 of implementing Gemini, we achieved remarkable results. 31% decrease in 1-star ratings on the Play Store, 17% increase in app engagement, and a 22.3% increase in average revenue per paying user. Available in 25 languages, we're making crafting accessible globally. Rest assured, we prioritize your privacy and security, adhering to ethical AI principles and data protection guidelines. Join over 2 million users who've already discovered the joy of crafting with our app. Learn Crafts and DIY Arts, your personalized AI craft assistant, combining tailored learning, sustainability, and accessibility. Download now and start your crafting journey today.